So what's the deal with pink lemonade? Never seen a pink lemon. Well, today we're going to find out. We're going to make pink lemonade, and we're going to make it off-grid. It's about 100 degrees outside, so we're going to see how that works out. And we're going to let you see how we do stuff off-grid, so come on along. Made a loaf. So what's going on? A lot of people ask me about is getting water. Okay, so we're making off-grid pinkish lemonade, and this is Sarah, and she's rolling out the lemons. Why are you rolling out the lemons, Sarah?
Makes them easier to juice them.
Right, so it kind of breaks the pulp up inside of there and makes it easier to juice them. How much juice are you trying to get?
2 cups.
2 cups. And how much lemonade is all this going to make?
Probably a gallon.
A gallon? All right. So these are really, really juicy, and so she doesn't want to cut them in half and lose a lot of that juice, so she kind of pokes it, cuts a little bit, and squeezes off some of it. There are a lot of juice in them, so then she'll cut them in half and juice them. And then she's straining the juice, really coarsely straining it into this measuring cup. Alright, so it's hard to tell exactly how many lemons it's going to take. I'm trying to get up here to the 2 cup mark. And so it'll be somewhere between maybe 7 and 12. I mean, you never know how much juice a lemon's going to have in it, or how, you know, different size lemons can have different amounts of juice. Got 2 cups of fresh squeezed lemon juice, and she is preparing to boil wind. She's going to boil 7 cups of water with 1 cup of honey, and that'll be the liquid and the sweetness. And then we're going to add some prickly pear juice, harvested a year or several years ago, either from here on the land or close by, and that's going to give us our fruitiness and our pinkish hue. So 1 cup of honey. All right, so Sarah has added her 2 cups of lemon to her bottle, and now she's adding her water and honey mixture, and she's going to fill this bottle about up to the shoulder. It's going to be around a gallon, and she still has to add the prickly pear juice, so she'll leave room for that. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add the prickly pear juice. Now this prickly pear juice is sweetened because we sweetened it when we canned it, and that makes it a lot faster for us to make a straight prickly pear beverage out of it when we open it. But we keep some that's not sugared, but this is going to add a little bit more sweetness. And she is adding, what, a whole cup?
I'm going to do it 1/3 of a cup at a time and
All right.
see the color.
So what she's going to do is add until it gets to the color that she wants. And see, it's already pinkening up down there at the bottom. All right, so Sarah, we have ice on occasion. We have an ice box, but if we didn't have ice, how would we cool this down?
Put it down in the cistern in the colder water.
So hang it by a rope and put it down in the cistern. That already smells pretty good. What do you think?
That's good.
Pretty good?
Mm-hmm.
Shake it up and see what the final color is. Now every batch of prickly pear juice, and depending on where you got the prickly pears, we get some that are really dark purple, almost kind of blackish, and we get some that are really light red. then you're going to end up with a different hue. All right, so we're going to put it down in the cistern. And we have some leashes here tied on for this purpose so we don't lose containers down into the abyss. She's going to clip it on there real good, lower it down in. Okay, so it's 100 degrees and we're going to have a nice cool beverage. You're going to pour? Is that mine? The bees want some.
Exactly.
All right, thank you. Ooh, that's pretty good.
Tart.
Time for the after video party. I did get some ice. Got my pink lemonade, and looky here, homemade bourbon, start to finish. All Texas homemade bourbon. Put a little dash, just a dash. Put a little dash in there. See how that works out. It's medicine for what ails you. Sure am good. Yum yum. Get you some. Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. It was a fun project. Really appreciate Sarah. Appreciate you guys watching. Hey, definitely subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, or if you want to suggest that we make a video or anything like that, just put it down in the comments. We're looking for questions for our Thursday Q&A. So put those in the comments as well. But definitely subscribe. We're trying to build the channel and let as many people see the information as possible. So we hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.